You searched how to buy shares of Indigo Acquisition Corp, a company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker INAC. This video shows the practical steps to find and buy that stock. This is an educational overview only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker INAC to locate the listing. Make sure you select the correct Indigo Acquisition Corp result on NASDAQ before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent activity. Double-check the company name, ticker INAC, and the exchange to confirm this is the correct stock. Choose invest or buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be queued until it opens. If there are not enough cleared funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this demo.